Alright guys, welcome you all again to the new video of chapter 4 determinants. Topic of this video is application of determinant and matrices. Now this is the last topic of chapter number 4, class 12, application of determinants and matrix. If this video is not clear to you, just change the settings and go to the video quality to 360p. आप उसको 360p पे करेंगे तो this video will get clear. Alright, let me start the lecture now. Application of determinants and matrices. अब तक हमने ये पढ़ लिया मैट्रिक्स क्या है, डिटर्मिनेंट क्या है, उनके यूजेज पढ़ ली. नाउ दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन वेयर यू कैन यूज डिटर्मिनेंट एंड मैट्रिक्स. So for that, let's start with two type of system. There are two types of system: consistent and inconsistent. You are very well aware of these two terms because ये class 10th में भी था linear equations में. तो consistent system is that system which has one or more solution, जिसका एक या एक से ज़्यादा solution possible है, that is consistent system. Second one is inconsistent system, a solution which does not have any solution, or you can say solution does not exist. That system is known as inconsistent system, right? So in chapter number 4 in class 12 we will learn only system of linear equations having unique solution only. तो हम किस पे स्टडी करेंगे? सिर्फ ऐसी लीनियर इक्वेशन जिनका यूनिक सॉल्यूशंस हो. मींस नो सॉल्यूशन और इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस आर नॉट इन आवर सिलेबस इन क्लास 12. तो विल जस्ट स्टडी सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस. सिस्टम मींस यू विल गेट 2 or more equations, 2 or 3 equations, right? Because आपके कोर्स में 2x2 मैट्रिक्स है या फिर 3x3 मैट्रिक्स है. 4x4 you are not having in class 12. तो क्वेश्चन कैन बी arised from these two things only, 2x2 matrix, or you can get 3x3 matrix. So I'm just explaining you the concept, just look carefully. Let there are three linear equations given: a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to d2, comma a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to d3. There are these three linear equations are given to you. I can write these equations like this. A, capital A denotes first matrix, capital A denotes a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, means coefficients of x y z from the first, second and third matrix. सबके मैंने क्या coefficients लिए हैं फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में. सेकंड मैट्रिक्स x. अब क्योंकि कोफिशिएंट्स और वेरिएबल्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, और मल्टीप्लाई का रूल हमने मैट्रिक्स में ही पढ़ा था कि जो इसका ऑर्डर होगा, ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 3/3. मैट्रिक्स इसका ऑर्डर क्या है? 3/1, एंड इसका भी ऑर्डर क्या है? 3/1. तो इफ दीज टू थिंग्स आर मल्टीप्लाई मीन्स कोफिशिएंट्स एंड वेरिएबल्स. सो दिस इज द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफिशिएंट्स. X denotes the matrix of variables. Variable is एक पूरी equations में there are only 3 variables, that is x, y and z. Okay, so if we have to multiply these two, the order should be like this. This last number and this first number should be same. Therefore, I have written this as 3/1. ठीक है. B denotes these three elements. Matrix of these three elements. Common sense की बात है, अगर आप इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे तो you will get answer in 3/1 form. Therefore, ये भी मैंने एक कॉलम मैट्रिक्स की फॉर्म में ही लिखा है, राइट? तो whenever you are having three equations, you will express those three equations in this form: A, X and B, where A denotes matrices of coefficients, X denote matrices of variables, and B denotes matrices of all the numbers which are in right hand side, numbers or alphabets, whatever you are having in the right hand side. Now two case arises. Case number one. Case number one is that if A is a non-singular matrix. Now we have just learned in the previous lecture, non-singular matrix is that matrix whose determinant is not 0. जिसका determinant 0 नहीं होगा. तो if you, first of all what you will do, you will calculate determinant of this matrix. आप सबसे पहले इस matrix का determinant calculate करेंगे. If it is not coming 0, then you have to go by this way. What is this way? Just have a look. If A is non-singular means determinant of A is not 0, then by matrix method, according to this equation, I can write this line: AX is equals to B, because these two are getting multiplied and third matrix is in the right hand side, equal to के right hand side में है. So that's why I can write AX is equals to B. If I multiply both side by A inverse, मैंने both side A inverse से multiply किया, तो A inverse into A will be I. Right? A inverse B will be A inverse B. Now if I have to shift this I, X multiplied by I will always be X. Anything multiplied by identity matrix is always that matrix only. तो x will be equals to a inverse b and we know the formula for a inverse, हमने adjoint वाले में पढ़ा था inverse का formula. A inverse can be written as 1 upon determinant a adjoint a, right, multiplied by b. तो this is the formula where you can calculate values of the unknown. ये जो variables थे इनकी values आ जाएगी आपके पास 1 upon a determinant a adjoint a, sorry, 1 upon determinant a adjoint a into b will be the answer for x, y and z. ठीक है, तो this is the formula. Now let's take the example how you can calculate. I am taking an example for that. All right, case number 2 is if A is a singular matrix. Singular means you can get determinant 0. You will get a determinant 0. Then what you have to do? You will calculate adjoint A into B. Right? अगर आपके पास determinant A 0 आ रहा है तो you will go to adjoint A into B. If adjoint A into B is coming 0 or either it is not coming 0, there can be two more cases. If adjoint A into B is coming 0, then solutions will be infinite or no solution. And if adjoint A into B is not coming 0, then solution does not exist. Got my point? So this is the second case. Now I am taking example of the first case. These three equations are given to me. All right, 3x minus 2y plus 3z equals to 8. 2x plus y minus z equals to 1 and 4x minus 3y plus 2z equals to 4. These three equations are given to me and it is just written solve for xyz. So I have to calculate the value of xyz. So first of all I will bifurcate these equations in form of matrix. तो my first matrix will be the coefficient matrix, उसको हम denote करेंगे a से. So these are the coefficients 3 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 2. Okay. X matrix will denote the unknown things. Unknown things are x, y, z. Always write them in 3 by 1 form. B matrix is also in 3 by 1 form, 8 1 4. Okay. So first of all you will start your answer with determinant A. First of all we have to check whether determinant is coming 0 or not. So determinant A is 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 3. Similarly 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4. 3 multiplied by minus 6 minus 4. So it is coming out minus 17. Minus 17 is not equals to 0. Therefore A is a non-singular and non-singular means case number 1. So case number 1 states that AX is equals to B. Therefore X can be written as A inverse B. अब A inverse का formula क्या होता है? 1 upon determinant A adjoint A. 1 upon determinant A. Determinant A we have already calculated. This is, keep this thing in mind, this is not mod A. तो इस वैल्यू को नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव करने की जरूरत नहीं है आप लोगों को. दिस इज डिटर्मिनेंट A. इट कैन बी नेगेटिव, इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव. तो 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट A एडजॉइंट A. एडजॉइंट अपना वही को फैक्टर का ट्रांसपोज. पहले इसका माइनर निकालिएगा, को फैक्टर निकालिएगा और उसका ट्रांसपोज करिएगा. आई हैव डन इट डायरेक्टली हेयर. तो 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट A एडजॉइंट A. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? Go to this equation x equals to a inverse b. I have got my a inverse, I have got my b. Just multiply them. जैसे आप multiply करेंगे तो multiply करने के बाद 17 से divide करना है. जो भी elements आएंगे तो 17 से divide करेंगे तो we'll get 1 2 3 as my answer. Therefore x is 1, y is 2 and z is 3. All right. So in this way you can calculate or you can solve a system of linear equations in 3 variables. Right. आप उसको solve कर सकते हैं. 2 by 2 matrix भी मिल सकती है. Procedure will be same. 3 by 3 matrix मिल सकती है. Procedure will be like this. Okay, तो go through this video and try to solve your exercise number 4.5. Okay, and 4.6. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe this video.